It was a quiet autumn night. The moon was bright, the stars were twinkling, and little Mina could not sleep. She heard a soft achoo coming from behind the curtain. Mina froze. Who's there? She whispered. Then a small glowing shape floated out, round, white, and trembling. It was a little ghost. Before we find out what happens next, make sure you subscribe to Tam's Imagination Story so you never miss another magical story. Okay, let's get to the story then. Mina pulled her blanket up to her nose, but the ghost didn't look scary at all. He had big shiny eyes, a tiny smile, and a little scarf that looked too small for him. "Oh, I'm sorry," said the ghost shyly. "I didn't mean to scare you. I'm just lost. I was looking for my blanket, but the wind blew it away." Mina blinked in surprise. "Ghosts have blankets?" The little ghost nodded sadly. "Mine is special. It keeps my glow warm at night." Mina tilted her head. "You can share mine if you like." The ghost's eyes widened. "Really?" Mina smiled. "Of course, friends share, don't they?" So the ghost floated closer, carefully wrapping himself in the edge of Mina's pink blanket. For the first time in years, the ghost felt warm. After a while, Mina whispered, "Where did you lose your blanket?" "In the woods," said the ghost softly, "near the big oak tree." Mina sat up. "Let's go find it." "But it's dark," said the ghost. Mina grinned. "You glow, and that's our flashlight." So hand in hand, or rather hand in mist, Mina and the little ghost tiptoed through the moonlit garden. Owls hooted, leaves rustled, and the fireflies floated around them like tiny stars. Finally, they reached the oak tree. Something fluttered on a branch. A soft white cloth tangled high above. "That's it!" cried the ghost. Mina thought for a moment, then climbed the lower branch. "Almost there," she whispered. The ghost floated up beside her and tugged gently. Together they freed the blanket, sparkling the moonlight like silver dust. "Thank you, Mina," said the ghost. "You are the first human who ever helped me." Mina giggled. "You are my first ghost friend." The ghost wrapped the blanket around himself, glowing brighter than ever. "Now I can rest again." Mina yawned. "Me too." The ghost floated closer and whispered, "When you see a twinkling star outside your window, that's me, saying good night." Then he vanished softly into the moonlight. Mina crawled back into bed, her heart warm and happy, and when she woke up the next morning, she found a tiny glowing feather on her pillow, proof that kindness always leaves a little magic behind. Sometimes friendship begins with little courage and a whole lot of kindness. So, my dear listeners, how was today's story? If you like it, give it a like, do share and subscribe for the next story. Till then, take care. Bye bye.